The long anticipated UltiMaker S7 Pro bundle is finally here. Let's get into it. Upon unboxing your machine, you'll find the UltiMaker S7 Pro starter pack. Here's what's inside. So the first thing we're gonna find inside of our starter pack is our accessory box. Inside of the accessory box, we're gonna have some tools and a couple different accessories that you'll need for printing. Next, we'll have our manuals and documentation for the machine, some UltiMaker material to get us started printing. Here we've got tough black and PVA. And lastly, we have the air filter for our built-in air manager. Just to cover some basics, there have been a few changes since the release of the UltiMaker S5 Pro bundle. Namely, we now have an included air manager unit. The new built-in air manager helps filter UFPs from your printer's exhaust and also helps to maintain the temperature of the build volume during printing. We have an improved inductive leveling probe. The S7 Pro bundle now includes a flexible and magnetic removable build sheet and allows for quick and easy removal of your parts, getting you back to printing faster. The UltiMaker S7 Pro bundle does also include the UltiMaker Material Station. The UltiMaker Material Station helps keep your material dry, preventing moisture from ruining a good print. The Material Station allows for auto loading and unloading to your UltiMaker S7 printer and can store up to 6 filaments at a time. Just as a refresher, the S7 boasts a build volume of 330 by 240 by 300 millimeters, 300 degrees C quick swappable hot ends, and a 100 degrees C capable build plate. I'd like to reiterate that the UltiMaker S5 is still an excellent choice if you're looking to get into 3D printing. However, we'd recommend the S7 because it's always nice to get those new added features. If you've never used the UltiMaker ecosystem before, I think this is a great opportunity to get into it. UltiMaker 3D printers are incredibly easy to use and are about as plug and play as you can get. If you're looking for a more detailed breakdown on the differences in the UltiMaker lineup, take a look at our website.